has to connect the main highway to the future free trade zone. Adequate facilities will be mobilized to close locations to work areas for efficient implementation of works. The project consists of 2 bridges and a viaduct. Imported cargo, including specially manufactured pipe piles, will be shipped from abroad. They will be offloaded at Mombasa port to the designated laydown yards. Laydown yards at the port have already been arranged with sufficient storage area and easy access to the loading docks. Jetties will be constructed on each side of waterways and ferries will be used to transport vehicles, equipment and materials. Access between the port and Muwacha Bridge, Tsinza Viaduct and Muteza Bridge will be mainly on barges to ensure fluent and efficient deliveries to construction locations. Crawler cranes, pile machines, and vibratory hammers will be on a piling barge of 3,000-ton capacity with rebar cages and an office. A concrete plant of 30 meter cube per hour capacity will be mounted on another barge with raw materials and a concrete distributor. The concrete plant will have minimum facilities including a cement stock silo and a mixer. If required, pipes shall be stored underwater to prevent corrosion using floaters and anchors. The jack-up barges reach work location and anchor on seabed. Steel pipe piles are to be delivered to the piling barge by way of boats and other floating vessels, a ferry, or another barge. Pile location is approved and verticality is ensured by a special pipe guard. Steel pipe piles are locked to the vibratory hammer and are lifted by the crawler crane to pipe location. Piling will be done by a high-capacity crawler crane with sufficient boom length. Boom length will be chosen depending on manufactured steel pipe pile length to be lifted freely over sea. Piles are driven to the sea base by way of vibratory and hydraulic hammers. Pile machine clears the soil. Rebar cages are lowered and concrete is poured. After piles, concrete columns will be poured over sea level. Hanging scaffolds customized for pile cap works will be provided by utility barges and installed by crawler cranes. The scaffold mounts to the concrete columns. Concrete is poured by pump utilizing the concrete barge. Girders will be installed using a beam launcher. The launcher moves its way to a new span on the bridge, ready to accept girders. special trailers deliver the beams and they are installed in place. Where necessary, girders will be delivered on barges and will be lifted from sea. Girders will be post-tensioned. After beams, diaphragms are installed, slab forms are prepared, and slabs are poured by the concrete barge. In the order given by design. Asphalt will be poured, and railings, light poles will be installed. Road markings will be completed. The Tsunza viaduct will be constructed with similar methods. Piles are driven by cranes and vibratory hammers. Concrete pipes shall be used as form. Concrete columns are poured. Voided planks are manufactured in precast yards and pre-stressed before being shipped to work location. Piles and pile caps are poured using similar hanging scaffold. Voided planks are installed using 2 cranes. Slabs are poured in similar schemes to the bridges, and asphalt is placed. Railings, lights will be installed. Road marking will be completed. Our company is well prepared to ensure that the project is a success story